Hi everyone, how are you? It's Dr. Splichal, functional podiatrist, human movement specialist, and CEO and founder of Naboso. So really exciting announcement. Maybe some of you heard of this, but we have kicked off a crowd equity raise. And what we're doing is we're looking to raise $1 million. We have the next 90 days to raise $1 million through this crowd equity campaign that we're doing through Start Engine. Now, what crowd equity is it is an opportunity for everyone, our friends, our family, our customers, our supporters, you to invest in different companies. Normally, investments are based off of people being qualified investors, but this is your opportunity to support a company, to own a piece of the mission to change the way that we're looking at foot health, foot care, and movement. Back in 2017, I started Naboso as a way to help people stay connected to their feet. I was traveling the world, teaching everyone about barefoot science, human movement, fascial fitness, and really to understand the power of the foot. And during my travels and looking at researching and developing all my curriculum, I started coming across texture science. And there's a lot of research around the power of texture stimulation, or really what's 2-point discrimination stimulation to the feet. And what that does to our brain's ability to sense our feet and body in space. Essentially, this 2-point discrimination texture, which is on all of the Naboso products, you can see the 2 points on these little pyramids, similar to Braille, stimulates a nerve in the feet that communicates with the part of the brain called the somatosensory cortex. Now, this is the part of the brain that controls our movement, and that movement is based purely around the quality, quantity, and specificity of the sensory stimulation coming in. So the better the stimulation coming in, or the more sensory stimulation coming in, the better the motor output. So 2017, I decided to take that research and create the first textured sensory product line. My first product was a yoga mat or a fitness mat. And then since 2017, we eventually launched our insoles. That was in 2018. And now today, 2021, we have 4 different insoles, levels of stimulation, 4 different mats with application to Pilates, bar, floor work, all the way to where professional athletes would use them in the training facility. And then we have accessory tools as well. We have the Nero Ball that we launched. We have a partnership with Zero Shoes, Body Track, True Form, Power Plate. So we have all these great opportunities of how people are using our material and our texture. So what we're doing, we are asking for everyone who believes in what we are doing, our mission, my personal mission, to change the way that people look at feet, to understand the sensory side of feet. We are disrupting the insole and the footwear industry. We are saying, no, we do not need arch supports. No, we do not need supportive shoes. We can optimize our foot function and our body control through sensory stimulation. And the Naboso product line, through this unique material and 2-point discrimination, we are optimizing foot function and body control. So if you are interested in helping us achieve our mission and to make an impact on the health, medical, and performance industries, then I ask you to please invest and support us on this mission. Now, the minimal investment is just $149. So if you want to just give a small offering saying, I support you, we would be so grateful for that. If you are interested in investing more, of course you can, we won't refuse that. And essentially what it is we are taking 10% of our equity. So 10% of the Naboso equity, 10% of our shares is being pulled and allocated towards this crowd equity raise. So of that million, based off of how you invest, you are a shareholder. You can say that you own a piece of Naboso. You own a piece of a company that is challenging the way that we look at foot health and is helping to impact so many lives. Since we've launched, we've sold thousands and thousands of our insoles and mats. And we have had testimonials, people crying, people who have not felt their feet in 15 years and they can feel their feet again. We have quadriplegics who have massive spinal cord injuries who can feel their feet. It actually makes me emotional because it's so powerful on what our products can do. Sorry. So I ask you if you can support us and our mission to continue to positively impact people's lives through this research. And it is our goal through the funds. Sorry. It is our goal through the raising of these funds to go to the FDA process so that these can be covered by insurance. It's really not just about helping the professional athletes, which is awesome, and I love that, and all of our clients, but it's those who actually cannot walk and cannot feel their feet. That's what makes me super emotional, because I just kind of fell into this opportunity not thinking that it was going to make this huge of an impact. So I can compose myself. This is a great opportunity. And for all of those who have invested so far, thank you so much for believing in us and to show your support to all of our friends and our customers and our colleagues and our resellers. Thank you so much. If you are interested in investing, please go to startengine.com/Naboso. And this is where you can invest. Again, the minimum investment is $149. We're raising $1 million in total. So far, we've done approximately $160,000 towards that $1 million, and we've been launched for approximately 5 days. So again, to own a piece of Naboso, go to startengine.com/Naboso, and you can invest. Now, if you're wondering, outside of Dr. Splichal's passion for these patients and these individuals, or our goal to help people reconnect to the sensory side of movement, how's Naboso going to use that $1 million? Well, we are going to use that $1 million towards marketing. So having people understand our products, that is obviously the number one step. If we cannot market and we do not have the funds to market, we cannot grow, we cannot scale, and we cannot make an impact. Second big thing is research. So we have various research studies that we've already started, but we are spearheading several others, again, for the purpose of getting the FDA approval. If this product can be FDA approved for neuropathy, this opens many doors to help other people's lives, and it validates our product. The third is towards our team. So without a strong team, we cannot support this growth. We are currently a team of 5. Our headquarters just moved to Arizona. We have a beautiful space that I will share with everyone soon. And then the final thing that the allocation of the funds is towards is our inventory. So the higher quantity that we can do at one period, this drives down our cost of goods. Currently, our gross margins sit around 70%, which is very good. So for those that do invest from a profit perspective, the more that we can drive our cost of goods down and increase our profits, that means you get a better payout. All right, so a few reasons of why you should invest in Naboso. So in 2020, our revenue grew 68%. So 68% growth in our revenue. And this was during a COVID year. So we are very proud of that. 60% of our revenue is direct to consumer. So that's on our e-commerce platform. We oversee e-commerce in the US, across Europe, and we are launching an Australian direct to consumer site as well. The remainders through our B2B channel. This is retailers, resellers, and our distributors. We are in 9 countries, so we have 9 distributors around the world. Some of those countries include Canada, Japan, Singapore, South Korea, Taiwan, UK, Czech Republic, Netherlands. So we have some great global impact that we're already making and people who are believing in what we do. A couple other reasons is that we have 5 license agreements, so people can license our material. And that licensing of the material is Zero Shoes, Body Track, True Form. We have a partnership with Rad Roller, and Power Plate is another one, so people can license the material. Now, again, if you're interested in investing, you can go to startengine.com/Naboso. The smallest investment is $149. Obviously, it scales up from there, and you are essentially buying a piece of our equity, buying shares in a company, and helping us to support us to achieve our mission. I would be more than happy to answer any questions that you have, so just inbox me. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. And remember, Stay barefoot strong.